Our kids all do play together, mostly nicely.
Today we're back with the Wolfe family, Mom Sarah, Dad John, and their 5 children.
Thelma is 8.5 months old. Rona is our 2.5-year-old daughter. Nevaeh is 5 years old. Simca is 7 years old. And Malachi is 10 years old.
Thanks to Fisher-Price, the Wolfe's Playroom is packed with toys to keep the kids busy all day long.
A lot of the Fisher-Price toys we've had for close to a decade, so I hope to keep these for that long as well.
Fisher-Price toys are made to live on and last, as well as allowing parents to not sweat the milestones. And our final playroom tip for this active family is keep it simple.
Kids love to play with things that they understand right off the bat. And so when a kid looks at a toy and knows how to play with it, they're drawn to it right off the bat. Squeaky clean. With the Little People Big Helpers home is what the child knows best. It's their first place of learning, and parents are the child's first teacher. And they play what they know. So their home is what they know best, and being able to play out their own home life in a toy is super fun for them.
Another great toy that's great for keeping it simple is this Caring for Animals farm.
Children love to take care of the animals. It really helps to teach them what it's like to care for something else. So when they tuck an animal into bed, or when they feed the chicken, or when they feed the horse, they're really practicing how to take care of something else. And it's really helping them work on those social emotional skills.
I do find my kids being very caring when they're playing with the animals, or they have the characters speaking to one another. It's very cute.
And keeping it simple also means keeping the play area neat and tidy.
Keeping the playroom organized is very challenging with 5 kids. I try to keep it as simple as possible, but we take it one day at a time.
Keeping it simple takes the stress out of playtime too. You walk into an organized playroom and you know everything's gonna come out and spill out all over, and that's what playtime is, and that's how kids have the most fun. But when you start in an organized place, it just makes everyone feel better.
We brought in designer Lindsay Lara to give the family an affordable and easy storage makeover so everything has a place.
I love it. We're very grateful, but it's gorgeous. It's even more beautiful than I would have imagined. I think the way it is something that we can keep up. It's simple, it's easy, it's pretty. I think we can do it. I hope we can do it.